everyone, what's up? And you're watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, we are going to make a simple Halloween costume for dolls, and I'm gonna use this fabric right here. And the ideal costume for dolls like Chloe is white lady or something. So I'm just gonna use this kind of fabric. So let's start. Okay, and we are already done. Actually, I don't think that Chloe is really scary. I think she's really adorable right now. Okay, guys, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give us thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys, happy Halloween, and we will see you next time to our next video. Bye!